Welcome back and thank you for being tuned in to Times Now. Let's begin with breaking updates now coming in. It looks like the Congress party has come out in full support of Arshad Madni after the Jamiat Ulema-e-Hind chief drew the Mamdani parallel to claim that Muslims are facing persecution in India. Now, Congress MP Imran Masood has said what Madani has said is very thoughtful. And then he adds that attempts are being made to suppress the Muslim community.
देखिए, मदनी साहब ने जो कहा है बहुत सोच समझ करके बोला है और ये बड़ा दुर्भाग्य है कि एक बहुत बड़ी कम्युनिटी को दबाने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है और देश के अंदर तरक्की के रास्ते तभी खुलते हैं जब सब लोग देश के अंदर उसके अंदर भागीदारी करें।
My colleague Nyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details of the Congress party's stand on the entire issue. And Nyamika, it goes without saying that there are numerous people from the community who have many posts across the country, and yet there is religion that has been brought in. And it's important to also mention that the context of the statement that was made by Madni was very clearly on the crackdown on the Al-Falah University, which is at the center of a controversy for its alleged involvement as being a terror hub in the Delhi blast case. And yet, the Congress party has come out in support of his statement.
Well, Pratibha, not just Imran Masood, but the other Congress leaders have also come out in full support of the statement which has been given by Arshad Madni. As after Imran Masood, it is Rashid Alvi as well as Udit Raj of the Congress party who had stated that whatever he has said about this country is absolutely right. It is basically they have basically blamed the government of India by stating that they are trying to suppress one particular community in this country, and that is the only reason why there is no Muslim who is holding any position in any of the universities. There is not even a Vice Chancellor position or an assistant, professor position is being given to a Muslim person. That is what is being claimed by the Congress party, and that same thing is also being repeated by Imran Masood as well. He had stated that whatever Arshad Madni had said is very thoughtful, because there is a continuous attempt which is going on to suppress one particular community, and this country can only progress when everyone should participate in all of these positions in all of these institutions, and that is what is being said by Rashid Alvi as well. In fact, they have also stated that the reference of Al-Falah University, which has been given by Arshad Madni, that is also absolutely right, because investigation is on one side, but converting the entire university into jail is also a very serious concern, and that is what Rashid Alvi has stated. In fact, Rashid Alvi is the one who has also called Madni as a very secular person. He said that it was his father who was a freedom fighter and who was completely against the partition as well as Pakistan, and that is why he had also stated that whatever Arshad Madni has said is absolutely right. He is a secular person, and the concerns which he is raising is correct, because the manner in which this investigation is taking place in Al-Falah University, each and every member of that university is suffering because of the manner in which this entire university is being sealed. The Congress party is basically demanding that those who are responsible for the Delhi blast, only those people should be punished, but they are basically trying to put all the blame upon the entire community, and that is the only reason why attempts are being made to suppress as well as defame the Muslim community. So that is the kind of statement which is coming in from the side of the Congress party's leaders regarding this entire controversy which has erupted.
Okay, but where is it happening? Because the crackdown is on the Al-Falah University based on the information during the investigations that even that video of Umar, who was a suicide bomber, that was also recorded in the university. So what does the Congress party want? That no action should be taken on the university even after such telling details in the investigations. In fact, Nyamika, as you pointed out, there are at least 3 Congress leaders, all senior leaders of the party, who have now openly come out backing Arshad Madni's narrative on Al-Falah and the Muslim university. From Imran Masood to Udit Raj to Sandeep Dikshit, all are backing these claims.
Nisab, he's a very secular man. His father, Maulana Hussain Ahmad Mandi, fought for the freedom of this country. He was against partition. He was against Pakistan. What he's saying, to what extent it is absolutely correct. One senior BJP leader from Maharashtra has recently said, we will never allow any Muslim to be elected as mayor of Bombay. If you are giving such statements, definitely reaction will be what Arshad Saab is saying.
He is correct, and it is not happening only with the Muslims, but with Dalits and OBC also. They are being targeted, there is no doubt about it. And earlier there used to be really representation of various communities, be it a Muslim, Christian, Dalit, OBC. But now it's a clear cut that those who are there to ideology of RSS, they only are in institutions, or like a vice chancellor, head of the institution, and to the extent that most incompetent people have been recruited as assistant professor, teacher, professor, and the entire academia is suffering now.
नहीं देखिए, एक चीज है, ये जो सरकार आई है इसने बहुत ही प्लान तरीके से, बहुत ही नियोजित तरीके से एक धर्म के खिलाफ और धर्म से जुड़े हुए पढ़े लिखे लोग हों, इंटेलेक्चुअल हों, उनके खिलाफ एक कैंपेन चलाया, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है। उसके साथ साथ उन्होंने समाज में जो सांप्रदायिकता फैलाई है उसमें भी कभी कभी कुछ हमारे ऐसे धर्म के लोग, उससे जुड़े हुए लोग, इनको ये लगता है कि अन्यथा उनके साथ अन्याय हो रहा है, और उसमें बाद में कोई दो राय नहीं है। आप देखिए, ना कोई सांसद है भारतीय जनता पार्टी में जो मुस्लिम है, ना कोई उनके बड़े पोस्ट में है, और हैं भी तो इनके मुस्लिम मंच इन्होंने कोई बना रखा है। पहली चीज तो आपको आदमी की काबिलियत देखनी चाहिए। जैसे इन्होंने आज प्रोफेसर वही बनाए हैं जो संघ से जुड़े हों, और उसमें कुछ माइनॉरिटी भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो वो करते हैं तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के संस्थानों से जुड़े हों, तो वो कोई रिप्रेजेंटेटिव नहीं होता है।
All right, with that, let's shift our attention now and get you breaking updates now coming in. Team